Hi, I'm Diane Magas. I'm legal counsel for Chris Barber with co-counsel Mawa Yunus. We're supposed to be completed the trial in its entirety by October 16th. We've had some difficulty with getting disclosure, I would suggest in a timely fashion, in that we've found out through the first few witnesses that there were disclosure of police evidence and evidence through signal chat, most importantly, and also evidence through videos taken or obtained by the police that were not disclosed originally. So that has made the trial longer. There's been a need for application that were not previously expected, and so now we have another issue with respect to disclosure that's been provided to us and partially redacted. Some emails totally redacted that in our view should be unredacted, so we're going to have to bring an application for that purpose. We found out some evidence through the witnesses that some of the police officers' phones have been upgraded, losing the evidence or the information that was in their phone. So we're going to have to deal with that also next week. And we've had more. Originally, there were cell phone chats that were provided to us. More of them have been not disclosing that we already had all the cell phone chats, but the ones that the Crown wanted to use have been increased. When we originally scheduled the trial, there were 10 more witnesses added to the witness list of the Crown. So that obviously adds to the time. There's been a change of counsel for the Crown's office in terms of who was originally going to do the trial for the Crown. And an additional legal issue has been raised since there's been a change of counsel. It's called the Carter application, which is the Crown attempting to use the evidence of one witness or one accused against the other. And to make it simple, so whatever Chris said in a TikTok or in a chat or in a cell phone when Tamara's not present, they want to try to use that against Tamara and vice versa. And so that involves a more complex legal issue that was not originally discussed when we scheduled the trial. So these issues have prolonged the trial and unfortunately taken more time for the trial to complete. And now we also have the added difficulty of trying to find dates where everybody's available when we all, the lawyers and the judge, organize our agendas at least a week in advance, not a week, sorry, but a year in advance, because usually we schedule those trials well in advance, and now we have to reshuffle all of those trials. So it's been a bit more complicated and that we originally anticipated, but we're filing through and going through and trying to do our best defense for Chris here.